Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style this 3D model that I just made in Blender in Adobe Dimension so we can render it. So first I'm going to import that OBJ file by going to File, Import, 3D Model, and selecting the model. I made some improvements to this, so I'm just going to make an update here in Dimension. Before I do any styling, I'm going to select the entire jug and go to Object, Generate UVs, and that will just help clean up the UVs a little bit more. Let's select the lid first and give it the standard plastic material and increase the roughness just a little bit. Let's go ahead and hide that. And this model is available in my 3D shop. So with the screw and the main jug selected, I'm going to apply the plastic. And these are now linked materials, so if we change one, it's going to change the other, which is fine with me right now. So in the jug properties, let's change the translucence, bring that way up so we can see through this. And on the fill, let's do a matte or a wax and darken that to a really dark brown. And for the label, I'm going to be using a partial label for this. I have both a full and partial label included in the file. And this label is going to be on a metallic gold. So with the label selected, I'm going to find this clean gold, and I can increase the roughness and add some scratches maybe, or just a little bit of a brush texture. Or you can start with a brushed texture over here. And now I'm going to navigate to my decal, and I like to just drag and drop onto the object where I want it to be placed. Alright, that's looking pretty good. And if you do want to adjust the jug anymore without affecting the other screw part, you can just click on the screw, and under Actions there's a break for the link. You may want to turn on your render preview periodically. And if you like a view that you're seeing, you can go to your cameras and plus sign to add a view. And if you later decide you like another view, you can refresh that view or add a new one, and you could rename it. A few good shortcuts to know in Adobe Dimension are if you have an object or folder selected, you can tap F on the keyboard to fit that to your screen. You can tap 1 on the keyboard to rotate around the object. 2 will pan. 3 can zoom in and out as you click and move up or down. Let's do a quick render preview. And this is looking really nice. The jug seems a bit dark, but part of that could be my lighting. Before we take a look at a couple of renders, let's take a peek at the label that I saved from Illustrator. So since I was going to place this on a metallic foil decal, I made sure to cut out those pieces in Illustrator and save this as a transparent PNG. And here were a couple of renders I thought turned out pretty good. I hope this video helps you with your project and that you learned something new by watching this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.